Okay, we are going to shoot Redemption Weeded Bourbon. I'm going to start with a black background. So I want to put that down a little further. Get a nice black background. Be done with that. And then I'm probably going to do one light on each side of the bottle to start. So I'll take this off for now. And we're going to do constant lights. Two strips, I think. We're going to do the strip lights. Take this off. Do one strip on this side, and I'll do a strip on the other side. We're going to use multiples today. Probably this. I think let's do this one. Yeah, let's do this one. Alright, now we're going to put the two strips on. Okay, so I am photographing this Weeded Bourbon Redemption. Kind of going with a old-timey country western feel. We're going to do a backlight, which we'll see in the camera. It might need to come up a little bit, but we'll see. And then I'm going to light on both sides here. And I'm going to do a grid so that there's nothing that spills on the background. Let's see how this will do. We might need a bounce card for the label, but we'll see how we get. We're using constant lights for this one because I like to be able to see them. I'm going to have to change the color temp on this one because it's white. I don't want that. I definitely want... Alright, let's see how that looks. Right now, we're getting a nice highlight here. I'm not sure I like the grid look on it, so we'll see. Getting that one there also with the grid, but it doesn't come all the way down, so I think I'm going to change how tall this light is because I want it to highlight the whole edge of the bottle. So let's see. Okay, so as you can see, we have this one here, light behind. I have to clean the bottle because you can see every little thing on here, so I'm going to have to clean the bottle. Got a little gunk residue here I got to take care of as well. Okay, so we have this little tiny nan light for the label because I want to make sure there's enough light on the label. I think we've got a good color. Still debating on these strips having the grid or not. I mean, it looks okay, but I don't like the way that the grids are looking, so I think I'm going to take the grids off. Then I got the light behind, which actually I don't like the way that looks. I'm going to have to bring that light up a little bit, that label light. My settings is at 1/60th f11 ISO 1600, which I like, but I do need to clean the bottle still, and then I'm going to need to adjust for that because I don't like that. Okay, so I've adjusted this so that it's shooting down and getting the label, but not, there's this little tiny bit of glare, but I don't see it in my camera from my angle, so I think we're good. Grids are coming off. Definitely need that taken off because I don't like the way it's looking on the sides of the bottle. So grid's coming off. Then this grid is also coming off because I don't want any grids on this. So we're going gridless, and there is a gel on this light because this one is not, I don't believe, a bicolor light. It is just a straight daylight balance light. So, and I might have to adjust this. We'll see, because this gets a little hot. So I might have to watch that one. And then I think I'm going to reverse this light back here. Black background. I think we might do it like this. See how that looks. See if it lights the bottle up a little bit more, or if it's too much now. I don't know. I think I actually like it better on the background. So, I don't know. What do you think? I definitely like the sides of the bottle better now. I think I might pull this back a little bit. Make it a little softer on the side there. Yeah, that's better. That one looks good. I think we're getting a good, yeah, we're getting a good shape to the bottle. Maybe wrap that one around the back a little more, just to adjust a little. And I'm definitely turning this one around again because I don't think it's doing anything for the bottle by doing that. So we're gonna go like that. Let's make sure where that backlight is happening. Okay, I want to move it over a little. And then I think we're about ready to shoot. I'll go like this. Make sure actually that backlight is the 60B. So fabulous little app here for nan light. 60B. I want to, my color temp is, so let's go. So I think we are going to go with, I don't think I want to do that. Let's just go back to the main light, and I want the color temp to be low. Let's go out of here to the regular mode. Yeah, we definitely want the orange, and then let's go a little brighter and see what that does. We're at 100. Okay, I think I like that. Maybe push that light up a little more, just to give us a little more angle. So let's go like that. Let's see how that works. What do you think here? Okay, I think I like that. Let's see. What do we think here? Okay, I like it. I don't know what this little light is going on here. What is that? Is that from this? I think it is. Let's see how that is. Okay, I like that, but I'm just off for the light because I want that light on that label more. Oh, just a smidge off still. And I don't like that. So now, this is going to be the challenge. Turn it, put it up, point it down, turn it to max. Let's see if that works. Nope. Okay, so we're not gonna get this one to do what I want it to do, so let's see if that'll work. Ah, there we go. Actually, and that's actually making the gold on it pop. I have a tiny bit, but I think, see this, I think if I bring it up and shoot down some, I will lose that. Let's see. Yeah, but now I got it up top. Okay, I think, let's see. I think this looks good. Maybe a bounce card just for a little extra for that. What do we think? Let's see, is that gonna make a difference? Oh, it does make a difference. Let's see, okay. We're gonna change this. This is gonna go, let's tape, let's see if we can. I guess I could do it this way. Let's do this. Oops. Okay. On. There we go. And we will go ahead and tighten this down. Get that bounce card where we need it to bounce light back in. I think this should work. We're bouncing it from there. Let's see. Oh, I think that works. Okay, that did not go focused. Okay, I think we're good. I think I like this. Maybe push this in a smidge more. Yeah, I like that. All right, let's clean the bottle. Okay, we have, turn this off. I think we have it. We've got bounce card to help fill in that label. This helps to fill in the label and also get the foil. This for each side of the bottle, that to kind of pull up from behind. And then we got a little bit of ambiance here just to kind of set the scene a little bit. And I'm going to kind of use this orientation. And we're going to shoot a few of these. Make sure that it gets nice and in focus. I'm shooting at f8, so or f11, excuse me, so we should be okay. Maybe I'll go to a 60th. Yeah. And then I'm gonna go, we're doing a couple of this shot. Then we're gonna go in a little closer. I don't want to go too close, so I don't want to lose everything in the ambiance, but I also don't want to lose the bottle top. There we go. Yeah, that's good. Got a little of it, but nothing major. Let's go so we get verticals. I like to do both vertical and horizontal. Oh yeah, that looks nice. One more. Go make sure. I like it. I like it. Like it, like it. I think we're good. And then we're gonna also do the hero shot. So I want to bring this down and shoot up at it. So we're gonna hero it. There we go. Might even bring it down a little more, but I think that's okay. Because now with it too low, I'm getting this, which I don't necessarily love, but we're gonna, let's change our angle a little bit. Yeah. Go up a smidge. Actually, let's go way up here. And then go. And one more. And I'm not one for compositing, so I am trying my best to get it as close to perfect as possible. Okay, I think we are good here. We have this light over here set. We have it set at 50%, 2700 Kelvin, because I want that golden glow. I've got this little bugger down here for the label. We are at also, I believe, 2700 Kelvin, yep, and 100%. I've got this bounce card to help this fill in the front. This one is at 71%, and I have an orange gel on it. Back light, excuse me, is set for 2700 as well at 100%. Lighten it up. We've got a piece of glass just because, a mirror, because I really like the way it reflects. And then I've got some rustic looking things just to kind of give it a little pop, give it some visual interest. Settings are at 1/60th f10 1600. And I think we are looking pretty good here. I've got the light on the background, which I'll adjust in post and make it a little more amber. And then I'm pretty sure I think we've got, let's go down a little bit. I think that should be good. 1250, maybe go to f9. Yeah, I think I like that. It might be smidge over exposed, but I think I like it. We've got good rim on both sides, and I think this should be good. Let's go to an 80th, and yep, that looks really good. We'll go all the way out so that we can get all of the ambiance here with it, and then a couple more zoomed in so that we can see the label really good. Actually, I don't like that the top of the lid is being cut off, so we're going to pull back a smidge. Let's go with it off center a little, because then I can make it a square image. And let's do a couple verticals, because I like to do a little both horizontal and vertical. Not sure which one I'll like better. Actually, I think I like that better. I like the way that's shooting. I like the way it looks. I like the way it showcases everything. Bottle is the hero. And I think this should be what we need right there. One more. Go in a little. Let's see here. There we go.